What's up guys, this is Nodybuddy and I'm back with another system software update video. So I just concluded my stream where I was streaming Marvel's Redgear, and I was about to call the stream off and turn off the PS5 and realized there's a system update. So I thought let's quickly make a video of it so that you guys can be made aware as well if you're not that active on your console. So let me quickly go to the settings and system software update. All right, so you see there's an update available. Let's see drive. Let's quickly check the view details. For the best PlayStation experience, make sure your system software is always updated. All right, we know that the main feature in this system software update, the system software update improves system performance. For more details about this update, visit our website. All right, and the version of this system software is 23.01-07.60.00. all right, so it's nothing major. You can choose if you don't want to update, that's fine, because like it's just a normal maybe a firmware update, or like just a normal hotfix to improve overall system performance. So let's quickly get into that. I'm gonna leave the link of this change logs as well as the file which you can download right away if you do not have a working internet, or if you're not able to download it on your PS5. You can as well download it separately on your computer, save it on your USB, and then you can just transfer it. All right, so let's quickly update. All right, so it's like 1.55 GB. All right, so it's gonna take a while, so let's quickly take a short break. All right, we are back. So the updates are ready, like it's installing right now. Download is completed. We are at 7%. Yeti, let's go. Woohoo! So guys, how's everyone doing today? And I'm really happy that my system is finally fixed. I was without my PC, the gaming rig, for like almost a month now. It's really tough, let me tell you that, because without PC it's like you are incomplete. I was having so hard time playing YouTube videos because it was getting crash every now and then. I have no idea. It's a very old PC, so laptop I mean. But yeah, well, finally our system is back. Alright, so it's restarting my PS5, so I guess it's gonna restart and then install the update. So be right back. Let's see how long it's gonna take to restart. Should be any moment now. There we go. System software update, please wait. Alright, so it's installing the updates now. It's going pretty quick. Not that quick, it's at 10% at the moment. Well, going. So guys, is there any sort of game which you are excited, which is upcoming games which you are totally excited about? So do let me know down in the comments so that I can try to cover it for you in my next series. Right now I am completing or covering the Avengers series. Like it's almost like, I believe I'm at 68% or something, and I guess there's more 40% to go, and then I guess we will complete the campaign. But I guess it's a multiplayer game, so maybe if you guys are down to play with me, maybe we can just do Avengers assemble together and just save the world, So do let me know down in the comment if there's any sort of video you are or the game you are looking forward to this year, and I will do my best to complete it. Alright, PlayStation 5 has is restarting, and there we go, it's restarted. Alright, so system software is updated. Let me quickly check. We have the latest version of the system software. Perfect. So our system software is updated. Now this is not a a compulsion for you guys. If you really want to update it, you can. Otherwise, you can keep playing it until until it's required, until the system forces you to update it. But right now, I feel like right now PS5 is doing a lot of changes. Like So believe that it's best to keep the platform console updated so that we can get access to the latest features and so on. This was just a reminder video to each and everyone out there who own a PS5 console. Make sure you do update your system to the latest version so that you don't face any issue at a later date. That being said, once again, thank you so much. This is Nodybuddy and I'm gonna clock out. Make sure you do comment down anything you guys want me to ask or want me to cover, any sort of game you want me to play. Let me know down in the comment. Do not forget to join my Discord server, and a major shout out to all my channel members. You guys are amazing. Make sure you do check them out. Their link is in the channel tab. Until then, take care. See ya guys.